App Function Introduction. AI Modeling. Create the model you want. Just enter the words. The model you want will be generated. Poloprint Community. In video tutorial. Check how to videos. If you encounter a problem, you can find the solution in troubleshooting. Post in the forum. To find more friends to solve the problem. If it cannot be solved, you can also contact us via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.